Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by signing in. Use the same Xbox/Microsoft account on the console and a computer or mobile browser. Once signed in, make sure the console is online and the controller is paired. Open Settings, go to System, then Console Info. This gives basic identifiers. While you're there, note the console name and serial number. These speed up verifying which device you're targeting. If you're using a browser, keep the account page handy for the next steps. You now switch to your browser and open the Microsoft Account Devices page, signing in with the same account used on the Xbox. Once on the Devices list, locate the Xbox entry, click Manage or View Details to reveal the device ID, often shown as a GUID-style identifier. Copy that ID or write it down. You'll use it for linking services, developer portals, or troubleshooting. If multiple consoles appear, match serial numbers or console names to ensure you finish by pasting the device ID into the required portal, support form, or app. Confirm it matches the console name. If the ID doesn't appear, make sure the console is linked to the same Microsoft account and online. Then sign out and back in, or reboot the console and refresh the devices page. If that fails, you'll escalate. Gather the serial number and proof of ownership, then contact Xbox support. That final step resolves account device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.